Welcome! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of internal wall panels and their significant role in modern interior design. Wall panels are not just about aesthetics, they also offer benefits like insulation and soundproofing. Let's explore the popular materials used in wall panels. When it comes to trending materials, reclaimed wood is a top choice for its sustainability and unique character. MDF, or medium-density fiberboard, is another popular option due to its versatility and cost-effectiveness. Decorative laminates, with their wide range of patterns and finishes, offer endless design possibilities. For those looking to make a bold statement, 3D wall panels and metal finishes are fantastic options. These materials can transform any space into a stylish and functional interior. Now let's explore various design styles. Modern minimalism focuses on clean lines and neutral colors, creating a serene and uncluttered space. Rustic charm brings in textured wood and earthy tones, offering a warm and inviting atmosphere. Industrial vibes feature exposed brick and metal accents, adding a touch of urban edge to any room. Each of these styles can be beautifully incorporated into real homes, providing endless inspiration for your next design project. Segment 3. Color and texture trends. Let's dive into some of the most popular color palettes for wall panels. Soft pastels bring a sense of calm and serenity to any space. Bold darks, on the other hand, can create a dramatic and sophisticated atmosphere. And of course, natural wood tones are timeless and versatile, adding warmth and an organic feel to your room. Now let's talk about the importance of texture. Texture plays a crucial role in creating depth and interest in a room. Whether it's a smooth, glossy finish or a rough, rustic surface, the texture can completely transform how a space feels and looks. To really understand the transformative power of color and texture, let's consider some before and after examples. You'll see how these elements can turn a plain, uninspiring room into a stunning, inviting space. So, to recap, we've discussed some key trends in wall panel design, including popular color palettes and the importance of texture. These trends have the potential to significantly enhance your living spaces, making them more beautiful and personalized. We encourage you to think about how you can incorporate these trends into your own home. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to refresh an existing space, these ideas can help guide your design choices. We would love to hear from you. Share your favorite wall panel ideas in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more design content. Thanks for watching.